crap about it later. I read a copy of it. Oh, see, Liza's our director here. Have you guys caught the Midnight Roses yet? Or Overature, eh? Yeah. Holy crap, that happened when I was talking. Alright, the song is called William Blake Overature.
Shackling on you, they may bind you, for they have a white cloud free. So look to the rising sun, for there a God lives on, where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men receive. And they may bind you, shackling. Where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men you see. My mother taught me underneath the tree, looking down before the heat of this day. These are black bodies and these sunburned faces, but a cloud like a shadow. Shackling on you, they may bind you, for they of a white cloud free. So look to the rising sun, yeah, God is on, where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men you see. Sunburned face of a cloud like a shadow gray. Looking to the east, she began to say, they may bind you, shackling on you, they may bind you, for they are the white cloud free. So look to the rising song, where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men receive. They may bind you, shackling on you, and they may bind you, for they of a white cloud free. So look to the rising sun, for there a God lives on, where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men receive. Where the flowers and the trees and the beasts and the men receive.